Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to activate BMO credit card. A BMO credit card is a financial product which allows card holders to make purchase on credit, meaning they can spend money up to a certain credit limit set by the bank. Now to activate your credit card, follow all the steps and stick till the end. Firstly, open any web browser on a PC and there on the address bar type in activate BMO credit card and press enter on a keyboard. Once you search it, you will be able to see all the search results on your screen. Now from there, you have to click on the very first link, activate my BMO credit card. And then you will be taken to the next page. Now here you have to enter your 16-digit card number and then expiration date of the credit card, and then you have to enter your security code, which is a 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Now enter your details correctly. Now once you're done with filling all the details, click on next button and then BMO might ask you to verify your identity through security questions or other methods. And after that, you will be taken to the next page where you have to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. And then your BMO credit card will be activated. Now that was the quick and simple video on how to activate BMO credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.